Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going on a boat trip from the Ölüdeniz Beach to enjoy the sun, sea and the Turkish coast. This full day cruise includes a grilled lunch on deck. The trip consists stops of 45 minutes to 1 hour each on islands and bays. It is suggested that you look around carefully during the tour because you might have the chance to see the dolphins, flying fishes and even the turtle. Ölüdeniz is a resort village on the southwest coast of Turkey. It is known for the blue lagoon of Ölüdeniz. Previously I made a video on the 12-island full-day boat cruise from the Fethiye marina. The boat trip is very entertaining and the views are amazing. Actually, I had an amazing day while cruising in the sea enjoying the bays of the Turkish coastline. But the excursion from Ölüdeniz Beach is far better than the one from Fethiye. The places you visit on this tour are very beautiful, like the Blue Cave, Butterfly Valley, Aquarium Bay, St. Nicholas Island and the Camel Beach. The Blue Cave is our first stop on our tour. These caves in cliffs are very dramatic and create a unique experience in the Bay of Mediterranean Sea. There are many caves-like cavities near the Greek islands, which are one of the most visited tourist attractions. After stopping at the Blue Cave, we moved towards the Butterfly Valley. The Butterfly Valley is one of the most gorgeous spots I visited in Turkey. There is a video on my channel which includes a trek to the waterfalls. Butterfly Valley is a nature reserve and is protected by the government. After the Butterfly Valley, we move towards another spot. It's a waterfall in the Mediterranean Sea. Next stop is the Aquarium Bay. This bay is famous because fish comes here to breed and lay eggs. That's why it's known as Aquarium Bay. After this, we move towards the Camel Beach. It's a beach only accessible by sea. This is the last stop on our day excursion. Now let's discuss some important things about the trip. What is included in the price of boat trip? Most of the tour operators offer transfers, free barbecue lunch, sunbeds, fishing lines, drinks or food is available on extra charge. It's always recommended to check with the operator regarding the excursion plan and what is provided on board. After that, we need to make sure that what we bring onto the tour. Mostly things which you might need would be beach accessories, beach towels, camera, sunglasses, money for drinks and extra activities. Also, the duration of the tour is usually from 6 hours to 8 hours depending on the day and how many islands you are visiting. So now let's get back to the video and enjoy our tour. Subscribe, like and comment down below as I will be uploading more videos from the Turkish holidays. Thank you.